everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexan, Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 9th class maths. We have started the chapter that is surface areas and volumes. What did we learn? We learned with the basics of cube, cuboid and cylinder, right? And we did few problems on that, okay? Shall we continue the same cylinder topic? Let's do. See here, he gave the question, a metal cuboid of this dimension, length, breadth, height, okay, was melted and cast into a cylinder of height this, okay. They have taken a cuboid, okay, they have melted in the sense you know it, okay, they melted and they again made into a cylinder, okay. He is telling that height of a cylinder is 14 centimeter. Can you find the radius, okay, 14 centimeter of height, can you find the how much width it will be, that is how broad it is, okay. See here, first of all what we have to do, we have to find the volume of cuboid, because whatever it is, the both metal is used same, right, therefore the volume will be same, therefore the volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cylinder. Just write it directly, it would be better. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Okay, what is volume of cylinder? Tell me. Pi r square h. What is volume of cuboid? LBH. Okay, what is pi? 22 by 7. Is radius given? No, that is what we have to find. What is height? 14 centimeter. And one more thing you have to remember is check whether all the units are same. If not, convert everything into same unit and solve it. Okay. Next, L is 22, B is 15, H is 7.5. Okay. Nice. Now send everything that side and simplify. Okay. R square is equal to 22 into 15 into, let me write 15 as, 7.5 as 15 by 2. Okay. Into, let us send this 22 by 7 this side, that will become 7 by 22 into 14 in the denominator. Okay. Let us write in 14 in the denominator. Okay. Now cancel everything. What all you can cancel? 22 will get cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 2s are. Therefore, r square is 15 into 15 by 2 into 2. From this, I can write r as 15 by 2. That is nothing but radius is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Remember, don't forget, most of the time you will get at least 1 or 2 parameters in terms of 22 and 7. Okay, if you observe, height is 14. It is a multiple of 7, so that you can cancel it here. Right? One of the dimensions is given as 22. Why? Because we can cancel 22 here. Okay? Just have this kind of look before directly multiplying and cancelling everything. Is it clear? Did I do any kind of multiplication or anything? No, just I have made so that I can directly write. Instead of both 15s, I will write 115. Instead of two 2s, I will write 1 2. Okay? Nice. See the second question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Inner diameter is 4, outer is 4.4. What is it? Did you ever see the pipe? How it looks? It is completely open inside. That is, it will be one parameter inside, right, and one more diameter inside. Is it right? Yes or no? Then he is telling that inner diameter is 4, outer diameter is 4.4. From here to here it is 4, from here to here it is 4.4. Okay. Now he is asking us to find inner CSA, outer CSA, total surface area. How do we find? The same thing. Did they give height? Yes, right. The height is 77. Okay. Total height is 77 centimeter. What is CSA? That is 2 pi RH. For inner, I have to take inner diameter, inner radius. For outer, I have to take outer radius. And one more thing, they gave diameter as 4, right? Therefore, this will be 2 and this will be 2.2. Okay, don't get confused. Clear? Fine. Now tell me, what is inner CSA? That is 2 pi RH. Is it right? Yes or no? What is inner radius now? Inner radius is 2, height is however 77. Okay, don't get confused. This is 77. Clear? Now if possible cancel 7 ones are 7 11s are. Yes, we can do, right? That is nothing but 2 into 22 into 2 11s are 22. Okay? 22 22s are, tell me, 484. 484 2s are. Just multiply. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 968 centimeter square. This is inner CSA. Now let us find for outer CSA. 2 pi RH, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is R? 2.2 into H. What is H? 77. Okay, 7 ones are 7 11s are again. 2 into 22 into, let us write it as 22 by 10 into 11. Okay, now just multiply. Okay, 22 into 22 into 22. 22 ka cube. How much is it? Tell me. Yeah, 10. 648 divided by 10. If you do, you will get 10,064.8 centimeter square. Clear? And the next, what about TSA? TSA is nothing but inner CSA plus outer CSA. You can neglect this area because it will be very less. Okay, that is almost 0.2 centimeter ka width. Okay, if you want, you can even find the area of that. Okay, how do we find? Pi outer r square minus inner r square. Okay, is it clear? You can find that. First add these both. 968 plus 1064.8 plus pi 2.2 square minus pi 2 square. Pi into 2.2 square minus 2 square. That is also 2 times. Okay. Now tell me, 968 plus 1064. How much is it? 8 plus 4, that is 30. 12. 6 6 12 13. 9 10. Therefore 2032.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into, if you want you can multiply or else you can use different formulas. 2.2 square minus 2 square, a square minus b square, 2.2 plus 2, 2.2 minus 2. Okay, that will be 4.2 into 0.2. Or else you can directly write it as 2.2, 22 ka square, that is 4.84 minus 4 square, that is nothing but, how much is it? 4.4. 4.84 minus 4, that is 0.84. Okay, now just multiply and tell me 2032.8 plus 84. Will it go in 7 table? Yes, right? How much? Right? 7 12s are, that is 0.12. Okay. Now just multiply and tell me 0.12 into 44. How much is it? 5.28. 5.28. Therefore, my answer is, how much it will be? 8. 10 plus 2 is 0, 1. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2, 0, 3. Is it clear? Is it easy? by using only 2 or 3 multiplications we can solve this kind of problems. Okay, shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He gave a cylindrical pillar has a diameter of 56 centimeter and is of 35 meter high. What is given? Diameter is 56, therefore radius is 28 centimeter. Height is 35 meter. Okay, convert this into centimeter or else convert this into centimeter or convert this into meter. Let us convert this into centimeter so that we can write easily. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, next there are 16 pillars around the building. Okay, there are 16 pillars. Now we have to find the CSA of 16 pillars, then we have to find the cost of painting. Okay, now tell me, what is CSA of a cylinder? 2 pi r h. Okay, that is 2 into 22 by 7. What is r? 28. What is h? 3500. Okay, now let us multiply it. 7 ones are 7 fours are, and the next 4 twos are 8. 8 into 22 into 3500. Okay, is it clear? This is in meter square or centimeter square. Okay, then he is telling that 5.50 per 1 meter square. We have to convert this into meter square. Okay, what to do? We have to divide it by 10,000. Okay, let us multiply everything first. 22 into 8, how much is it? 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. 176 into 3500 centimeter square. Now tell me, 176 into 35, how much is it? 6160. 6160 centimeter square. To convert it to meter square, we have to divide it by 10,000, therefore that will become 61.6 meter square. This is CSA. Okay, now tell me, for 1 meter square it is 5.50 rupees. Then for 61.6 meter square, what is the cost? Okay, therefore the cost of painting is equal to 61.6 into 5.5. Is it clear? Just multiply and tell me the answer. 61.6 into 5.5, that is 338.80. Isn't it? Yes or no? What did we do? Just tell me. A cylindrical pillar has a diameter is given, that is radius is given, height is given. So we have to find the CSA of that. Okay, then he gave 5.50 per 1 meter square. We have to convert it into meter square, then find the cost. Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at this question here. He gave a one side open cylindrical drum. Okay, one side is open, that is, it will be like this. This is open. Has inner radius 28 centimeter and height 2.1 meter. How much water you can store in a drum? Tell me. Water is always in the form of volume. Okay, that is, it is in the form of liters. So we have to find the volume. Just tell me, what are given? Radius is 28 centimeter, height is 2.1 meter. So we have to convert it into centimeter, therefore it becomes 210 centimeter. Right? Next, now tell me volume ka formula, pi r square h. Right? That is 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 210. Right? 7 ones are 7 fours are. Now just tell me 88 into 28 into 210. How much is it? Just multiply and tell me the answer. That is 517,440 centimeter cube. Okay, then he is asking us to express in terms of liters. 1 liter is 1000 cc. Then volume is equal to, we have to divide it by 1000, then it becomes 517.440 liters. Clear? Next, look at this question. He gave CSA of a cylinder. What is given? CSA of a cylinder is 1760. Okay, and the next volume is given as 12320. What's the formula of CSA? Tell me. CSA ka formula is pi 2 pi RH. What's the formula of volume? Tell me. Pi R square H. Okay, if you divide both, you will get the value of R. Then substitute in some value, you will get the value of H. Okay, now do that. V by CSA, that is pi R square H by 2 pi RH is 12320 by 170, sorry. Okay, now tell me, pi H and 1 R will get cancelled. R by 2 is equal to, see here, 0 will get cancelled. Okay, now check. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. It will go in 11 table. Here also 176 also will go in 11 table. Check. 11 ones are, and again 11 twos are. Clear? Here 11 ones are, 11 six are. Okay. Now 112 by 16. 112 by 16. Let us send this to this side. Okay. Now check. In 8 table will it go? No, right? Let us try in 4 table. 4 twos are 8, and the next 4 twos are 8, and the next 3 will be left, therefore 4 eights are, 4 fours are. Okay, now can I cancel with 4? Yes, right, 4 ones are 4, 7s are, therefore the value of R is 14 centimeter. Just substitute this R in this, you will directly get the value of H, that is 2 pi RH is 1760. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into H is 1760. Now check, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Okay, therefore H is 1760 divided by 22 into 4. Can I cancel with 11 table? Yes, right. 11, how much are? 11 160s and 11 twos are. Okay, 4 ones are, 4 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Therefore, the value of H is 20 centimeter. Is it clear? Did you understand? These are all different problems of cylinder. Okay, then what is the next shape we are going to discuss? That is cone. It is simply called as right circular cone. What is that? Shall we do? Let's see. Right circular cone. How does it look? Right circular cone. Tell me, that is nothing but a simple cone. Okay, what are the parameters will it have? It will have radius, it will have height, and it will have slant height, which is denoted by L. And if you check here, it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, we can write L square is equal to R square plus H square, where L is slant height, R is radius, H is height of a cone. Okay, now tell me, what are the things we have to remember? CSA, then TSA, after that volume. Volume, it is simple, you can remember, which is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Okay, that is 1/3 of pi R square H. Okay, now tell me, what is CSA? That is nothing but pi RL, pi RL. Okay, then what about TSA? Pi R square plus pi RL. pi r square plus pi r L. Therefore, it becomes pi r into r plus L. Clear? These are all formulas of right circular cone. Clear? What all we discussed in this session? We started with problems of cylinder, and then we did few problems of cylinder, and then we learned the formulas of right circular cone. Is it clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the problems of right circular cone. Thank you.